Hello, it's me. What's crack-a-lackin'? Mother Cluckers? Mother Cluckers in the house. Mother Cluckers in the house. How's it going, people? Miss me? Wonder what I've been up to? You already know. Or do you? Grand day, isn't it? Thursday. Found 19 feathers today on my short little walk. Let's see, how many blocks is it? 3? 4? I don't know. I just walk. And but I only brought 18 of them home. It's fucking crazy. They're fucking everywhere. Never see them, and then all of a sudden they're freaking everywhere. It's like, I said I live a magical life. Ta-da! Ta-da! What message do I have? Smile. It's your life. It's my life. Remember that song? Well, I don't know. Some of you will, some of you won't. Brenda Lee, I think it is. It's my party. And I'll cry if I want to. Anyway. Get barefoot. Get outside. I said get barefoot. 144. That's great. Shining your light bright today. Your life was training. Training for what? Training for what's now and now. Because all we have is this moment. So, are you doing what you were trained to do? Did you get through your lessons? Were you the light? Were you kind? There have been a lot of things in my life, but there's one thing, I just couldn't see it then because I was blind, but now I can see. The one thing somebody could always say about me is, in the end, I'm always kind, always forgiven, always loved, always showed love, kindness, compassion, even to the ones that hurt me the most. Now, I'm not saying go and get beat up and let people abuse you. Oh, come on, people. I'm not talking to those kind of people. So click off or stay. You might, learn something about yourself. I don't know. I just never know what spirit's gonna have me talk about today. Don't you know? Because happiness is fucking homemade. Da-da-da. And then we have good vibes on. Keep up the good work. I saw 3, 4, 5 when I look back. That's something maybe for you. 351's for somebody. That's for me as well. Signs are everywhere. But maybe you identify with this yourself. But what I was getting back at is, I don't, my greatest teacher, one of my greatest teachers, well, no, he is my greatest teacher, because, man, we've been years at this. And he's helping me again. And in his own time, because we're all different and we all have our own role to play, 444, here on this earth. And every role is important to itself. I like to talk about my ego and my human because it's fun for me, and there's a reason for it. And I was talking to my daughter, and she said, "Why do you talk about yourself like a familiar?" And I was like, it dawned on me because I don't really know witchy stuff, you know. Because I was trying to ask her questions, because I just don't. When you're magical being already, you don't do that. It's fun. I like candles because I love candles. I don't think of symbolism, spells of any kind, not to draw anything, because I am the spell, and I can use my words, as we all can, and I can choose my thoughts, you know, and we all can do this. If I could fucking do it, anyone can do it. I'm just telling you right now. Me, I'm so fucking stubborn. I'm so stubborn that when I'm laying down and I can't fucking move, piss me off, and I'll move the whole fucking house out in 30 minutes. You know, we all have that fire, that passion. I know I do. It's part of my journey, though. That's what my human does. I light. Along with this human that I chose, perfect for the job, I guess you could say. Small, framed little girl that was the light in their life, that was put in there to let the dark have its way. Training. You have to, you know, for me, and this just all became clear to me today, actually. I wrote it down. That's what I do, I write. I think I even wrote a song. Crazy, isn't it? I'll go back and read it, and I'm thinking about maybe picking up my guitar and maybe, I don't even know how to play the guitar, but I do know how to play. I know how to play. I just have to pull it out. When it's time, that door will be unlocked. Everything's in timing. And I'm so close. Marinating. Coming to that place of 100%. I give. I say when. Surrendered. A divine union. And I wrote this down because I wanted to know, when I speak words, what am I speaking into my life? What does it mean exactly? What is it I'm really looking for? And I like this too. The world is in victim mode. The victim program. It's a program. The victim. The whole world's in it. Get out of it. Rewrite it. Rewrite your program. Can you do that? I am. I live in my fairy magic world. Oh, where could that be? A star is born. Release the past. What is that? Oh, so the new will come in. God is providing me, or God provides me with all I need. Yeah. What the hell was I looking at? Oh, about the unions. Oh, I'm not going back far enough. Okay, divine union. Submission of our will to God. So I'm already in a divine union. You know? But, next comes a union. I'm getting chills all over. The one God has handpicked just for me. That is amazing. Did I say I live a fairy tale life? Yeah, I know, I can hear you, but you're still in the same place. You're just talking a bunch of shit. You're fucking crazy. You have to be crazy to do what I'm about to do. To live the life I've lived, you know? Yeah. Just the right kind of crazy, aren't you guys? Just, you're welcome. Union. An association of people with a common interest or purpose. Because I started having doubts. I was like, but then, you know, right away, my human wants to do that. My ego, my pain body, as Eckhart Tolle would say. The ego, Dr. Wayne Dyer says, edging God out. I'm going, E-E-O. E-E-O. Edging ego out. Fuck you, ego. Fuck you, human, every now and then. Fuck you, human. It's like, oh yeah? Fuck you, too. I said, guess what? I got this. Because I know how it works. So you release it and you allow it to come to you. 11:11. Because I know the work I've done. I know, 11:22. I know the work I'm doing in myself. That's all I can do. This Serena, this human, maybe it is my familiar, is the only thing I can control. And before, it ran amok. A fucking muck. Mother clucker. You know? So, I run the show now. And I allow the flow of things to come up that need to be released. And because I'm aware. I'm more awareness in my moment. Because I could want to, not I, but me, Serena, my human, wants to tell me shit. Or other people trying to, because remember, energy, the vibration carries information. And your brain picks it up subconsciously. So if you're not aware of what you're doing, then it's somebody else's thoughts running through your head. You're decoding in your head, which when you decode it in your mind, it's thoughts. So if you're not aware of where you're at and you don't watch your energy and know who you are, know thyself. Because the enemy's all around. The enemy is lurking. The enemy lurks, I heard. But all they have to do is be pissed at you so intently and think about you so intently with their every being of their soul, body, and mind. Their spirit. It's dark sometimes. Or crushed. In a way. I don't know. I don't know about that. I just have a message about this. So if you're not if you're unaware, then you have to know your own thoughts. You have to know your own feelings. You have to know your own energies. You have to know what's yours and what isn't yours. Because what isn't yours, you just make it stop. They can't do anything that you do not allow them to do to you. Let me say that again. Nobody can do anything to you that you do not allow them to do. And if you're unaware, then you acquiesce. Because you're not denying it. There's no denial. So it's an acceptance. An unwilling acceptance. I don't know. I'm going to have to look that up. But that's how it came to me. So, well, why didn't I look it up before? Because I didn't get that message yet. I just got it. That's why. So, instead of wondering and thinking about all the things that I don't do right, I'm going to get a mirror. I'm going to carry a mirror around with me. And every time somebody reflects their shit onto me, I'm just going to hold up the mirror. and smile and say, I love you. They did a thing, talk to the hand. No, put up a mirror so they can see directly into their own face, and then they can go, fuck. And that's what, some of us, that's what we're here for. We're here to trigger the people. Well, that's your part. That's your role. So deal with it and stop being a victim. Get out of the victim program. Get out of the victim program. You already know the problems in your life. Why repeat it to everyone and yourself every day? And allow the people that want to see you that way, project that onto you. And you just love to eat it up. Unconsciously. Because you're unaware. You're not in your moment. Smile. I had an incident with somebody. And I was proud of myself. I know you shouldn't have pride, semantics, you know what I mean? Like, I did not react the way I used to, the way I did yesterday, perhaps, or the day before that. I don't know, the day's gone, so I don't live in it. You know what I mean? I'll go back and visit shit that needs to, but I don't camp out, light a fire, pitch a tent, get all cozy, go fishing and cook some food, no. I don't camp out and stay there anymore. I'm liberated. It's fucking fabulous. And congratulations, by the way. Every single moment that you're sober, every single moment that you're not who you used to be and you're better, congratulations. Good fucking job. Good job. I know. Everybody around you is going to try to remind you, you were just like that 5 minutes ago. Well, you're still like that now, so I love you. Human. Demons. Whatever. Here's a mirror. Hold up a fucking mirror. Just hold up a fucking mirror. Want to be a dick? Here you go. See yourself? I mean, that was a bad example, but it's the only thing I had. You know what I mean? Yourself is looking back at you. Are you looking at it? Are you looking at you? You want to hold on to your trauma bonds? You want to hold on to those chains and that baggage? Fucking let it go. What did you learn? You came here for a reason. Light worker. Human. So do what you came here to do. The first thing is, be happy and love. Be love. Your human is on this earth, which is gorgeous, amazing. Our bodies are fucking phenomenal. Take care of your body. Take care of your human. It's your house. You reside in it. This one right now. Have a good time with that motherfucker. Put nice soft things on it. That's why I love soft blankets. Because I love skin. But I'm a very touchy, I am what I am. I'm me. And isn't it grand? I already went on my walk and got all my feathers. Look, I'll show you. I got. Can you see that? I got a few of them right there, and then I got a lot of them in my Give It to God little metal tin I got from Dollar Tree, right? Because till I get a beautiful wooden one, I mean, I have that stuff in Colorado. Colorado. Can I get my shit from Colorado? Especially my fucking... I was going to say, especially my Strat acoustic. I love that guitar. I love playing right-handed guitars because the horn is longer on top, and the way it's shaped, it fits better in my leg, and it's more comfortable to me. I love music. I love life. I love all the blessings that I'm getting today. I've already received so many blessings. Like I'm over it. I'm not over it. I mean, I'm getting ready to go back. I know. Listen here, people. Listen here, people. I got to say something real quick. Hold on. I had to move my foot. My toes are falling asleep. 2033. Whoa, falling away. Son of a bitch. Okay. Happiness is homemade, mother truckers. There we go. Under the lights. Anyway, so, hello. Great job. You're sober. 2101. What are you going to speak over your life? What are you going to speak over your life? Hi. It was 2111 when I said, my name is Light. No. The one who stands before you are both Serena the Concrete Rose and Light. I am love. I am God's eternal love. Serena, the Concrete Rose, nice to meet you. I am Light of God's eternal love. I go by Light. Call me what you want. Still Light. So it might have been a lot of things in my life. All in all, nobody really got hurt too bad, and they're all still alive. Well, I don't know if they're all still alive, but I didn't take them out. It's amazing. Because I was could have went the other way. Blessed. I was blessed to live those experiences, yeah. All the sexual, physical, emotional, mental abuse, yeah, all of it. And I still get it. Like this, for instance, what I was talking about before. I said, this kind of thing happens to me. Oh, what are you doing? Laying here, where I'm at mostly, in this bed, staring at this shit. Writing, listening, Oh, you're not out curing world hunger today? Guess you'll pick it up tomorrow. So you're not curing world hunger today? Who would really want to make fun of somebody who wants to do something so good for the world? Are you like that? 2332. Are you like that? How horrible does that sound? But, the old me and the way what I was saying I was proud of myself about is it started to get under my skin, because it's like, really? The one who loves you and helps you? Oh, we'll help you. Stay here. Stay here. Let me just do whatever I can. I didn't say a word. I didn't say a word. Thought a few things. Not anger, really, just like, oh, fuck, I'm just so tired of this shit. Wanted to go to the victim program. Instead, I went, hey, this is part of it. You already know where it's coming from and why, so why would you get upset at that? You already know why people attack you. Why do you get... It was 2442 when I said that. And that's, for me, that's how they show me the parallel. The mirrored effect. The parallel of yourself. two different sides. I so saw something totally different for a second. I was gonna hit this selenite like it was a freaking cigarette. Damn it. I'm out of cigarettes. Oh God. Anyway, I'm not even gonna struggle it. I have to get pens because and notebooks because I go through them so fast, darling. So fast. Oh gosh, a sketch pad because I have some great ideas on clothes and it could fucking make them out of curtains, I bet. You know what I mean? Like, shit. So many cool ideas. So many cool ideas. They're not for sale. It's just for me. I mean, I haven't thought that far, but, you know, there's a million lines of fucking businesses I can do. There's a shit ton of it. But my main goal is our main goal. I'm going to say I, because God works through me. So I don't need to say we and our and all that. And I want to say what just came to me was, you know, what Jesus was crucified for. Because he excuse me, I just whenever I talk about Jesus because he's the most amazing man. He spoke the way he was supposed to. There was a reason for it. He was the lamb. They sacrifice lambs. I'm a baby lamb. That's what my Jason calls me. My Jason. I only know one, so I shouldn't say it like that. It's usually my Chris, and then Mike has his Chris. We'll just pass along the people to each other. I'm like, he's like, I guess that's your Chris now, because he went in there talking to you, and I'm like, no, he's still your fucking Chris. I'm not taking him. That's your Nick, you know what I mean? Whatever. It's just funny shit. It's just funny shit we do. But I'm like, Jason has always called me baby lamb, and I have things written down and have said shit like that, how it comes in, and I'm like, wow, that's kind of fucked up. You're just the bait. You know, we took you, cute little baby, innocent baby lamb, and we threw you in with the wolves. And you came out so pretty and fluffy, little baby lamb, and you're still a baby lamb. Still a little baby lamb. And guess what? I'm still a baby lamb. Her fleece was white as snow. So maybe we could be the lambdas. Just kidding. Anyway, have a good day. And smile. Set your intentions. Know they're going to be there. See it in your head. Feel it in your heart. And then just go about your day and smile. And attract it to you. Have you been a blessing to someone today? I hope I have. I better work harder. It's not work. Just smile. It's contagious. Peace, love, harmony. See you on the flip. Peace out, mother cluckers.